Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture between Sonic and the Mosasaurus from Jurassic World as one character. So let's hop into it. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Sonic mixed with the Mosasaur from Jurassic World. So let's get started. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to draw a curve right here for the top of the Mosasaurus's mouth. Or the side. He's going to be chomping up in the air, you know, like that famous shot from Jurassic World. I'm going to go over here now in the front. Over here on this side now, kind of the lower jaw. Right there. And continuing to draw downward. A little bit of his throat over here and down. So far it's just pure Mosasaurus type stuff. Here's like the fin for the arm. And then over here around this area, I know these shapes make no sense so far, but let's get into the face first actually. Going down. Line up over here. Pulling downward. Right there, so you have the open mouth right there, and then we're going to curve along here. So his eye is going to be over here in this area. So line right here, curve for the eye right there. It's going to have a little bit more of a cartoonier eye than normal, and I think I'm going to start throwing Sonic-isms in there. Whew. Over here in the back, I'm going to put some larger spikes, Sonic-esque spikes along the back. Right on. Back of the jaw right there. So the qualities we're bringing in from Sonic is going to be the spikes in the back. Like so. Line around here. Curve. Go over here and we're going to draw the teeth in the mouth right here. So far, way more qualities of Mosasaurus. We're going to draw the nostril right here. Way more qualities of the Mosasaur so far. What would you name this creature though? If it's a Mosasaur and with Sonic, what would you name this? If you name it, I'm gonna pin your comment. Even if you're the only comment, by the way, I will pin it. So definitely, you know, if you put one down below, he'll be there forever. I'm gonna go over here for the eye, curve. And then we're gonna draw that counter shading that he has, but we're gonna make it more extreme right here with the kind of Sonic belly right there. Sonic color of the belly. And then you want to think of other ideas, like what else can we put in here? I think a cool idea would be instead of a shark up there, he's going to be a ring. Right there. So maybe like a circle. Kind of an ovalish circle. We're going to do the exact same thing. Ovalish right there. Line. Line up. Line out over here for the back part of the mouth right there. And we're going to throw in a couple more spikes. Honestly, I forgot about his ears. So those will be his ears right there. See little tiny ears. I'm going to spike over here on this side. Line over there. And we're going to throw in a little bit of some dark areas over here. There we go. A little bit of some dark. Right on. Line over here in this area. And line right there. Curve, curve over here for this side. Line over here on this side. And now we're going to throw some more fish-like details, right, on this. So we're going to move a curve right here out on this side. And we need to throw, we want to look a little scaly, so you can throw some curvatures. Maybe a line back here. It's going to go back around that side. Curve, curve. Line over here. And we throw some just these little half circles here. And what that's for is to make it look like the texture overall is, you know, that overall texture is pretty good. Right, to kind of make sense. I'm going to do it like a highlight over here in the eye, and then we're going to draw a circle right here. I still think it needs a little bit more quality of Sonic, so maybe I'll put like a line right here on the arm right there, like it's the glove. It's gonna have like a Sonic mitten, I guess, for his fin. Right there. Curve, curve. Just to kind of throw something else that's, you know, a little Sonic-like right there. Curve right here. Line, line, line. Line around there. And if you want, you can throw another row of teeth over here in the back to give it a little bit of 3D, right? Like he's slightly turned. But like I was saying before, give me that name before, and I'll pin it. You know, I'll pin. You know, what will this be right there? You have the spikes of Sonic. Got the glove right here, and he's getting a power ring right there, and in the stomach area. Thanks so much. I appreciate you being here. If you actually did make it this far, say what's up in the comments, and I'll talk to you soon, okay? I want you to stay here, though, because we're going to start another lesson right now, okay? We're going to roll right into another lesson, like pushing into it right about now. So let's get started on the next one. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.